Okay, I know I talk almost exclusively about the 4 pillars of health: sleep, stress, nutrition, and exercise. And this one falls into that last one. Now, if you don't know this about me, I am awesome at lifting heavy things. Love doing it. I do not love running, and here I am. I'm doing a Spartan. The reason is I love to challenge myself. I love to take myself outside of the box. I love to see what I can do with all the CrossFit that I'm doing. And this is a test of that. Now, I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and maybe you think, hey, I could do that too. Or, wow, Anita was so inspiring. Yeah, I'm just going to chuckle at that. That I want to see what I can do. And maybe you'll sign up for something that's outside of your comfort zone and see how you can handle the challenges that are put before you. That's it. I appreciate that you're here watching this video. If you like it, remember, thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and make sure you don't miss any of my great content. Hey, welcome to my channel. This is my race report for the Arizona Spartan Super. Not the Sprint. No. We did the Super. Now, what does that mean? That means that we went 10 kilometers. We did 25 obstacles in the Arizona desert, and we had a blast. So this is a little video of my family and I getting started. One thing that I did want to mention, the pre-stuff that we did. I mean, we started early. We wanted a good early time. So our pre-stuff actually happened at home. We had some hash brown and scrambled eggs, burritos, and
coming into registration. Got to show them who we are.
Yeah, the preparation is key. Now, what are some of the things that I used? I did use some Deep Blue Rub, a little bit on my right knee. I didn't put on any on my left knee because I wanted to make sure that I could get this on my knee. This is just like KT tape, the Walmart brand of KT tape or stretchy tape or whatever you want to call it. I found that it was very useful and handy to have that on my knee. When I tried it a couple weeks ago, I nearly eliminated knee pain. So I wanted to make sure that I had that on there before I started racing. Some other pre-race things, we made sure that we had our electrolytes in our water. We do carry like a Camelback type thing because we know we're not the fastest. So we make sure we carry the Camelback. We make sure that we have the electrolytes already in there. We use a Relight electrolyte. This one. We have one that has caffeine, so we use that one. And this is my cute son, Charlie. This is his first full-length Spartan. I know you can read that, but the important part about that is he was willing to do this with very little training, and you'll see how awesome he does later in the video, so stick around for that. Okay, so between here and the next video, there was a fence that we had to jump over, as well as another taller fence that we had to jump over. So the first one was about 4 feet tall, made that no problem. The next one was about 5 feet tall. That took a little bit of planning in my head, how to get over, made it over. It wasn't a whole fence. It was just a bar, like 4x4 or 6x6, something like that. Anyway, super fun. And then we came up to, I think it was just after mile 1, or maybe it was at the first mile. Here comes this wall that you're about to see. And I want you to know that I jumped it. I didn't have help. Well, maybe my husband pushed me. There's no video of it, so I did it all by myself. Yeah. And my first attempt, Okay, so my first attempt, I thought I could do it, and I came back down and I smashed my toe on my big toe on my left foot. Hurt so bad. It's still hurting. This is 5 days later. So, that's kind of a terrible way to start a 6 mile trek at mile 1 to wreck your toe. Here, Charlie. Whee. Oh. Wasn't graceful, but it was effective. Come on. There it is. That's kind of what I did too. Charlie did it all on his own. Arizona desert, baby. There's another obstacle over there. Looks like it's coming in the other direction. I hurt my toe going over that wall though. We'll see how I do. I'll be fine. Do this. You got it, Charlie. Was that you, Drain? Look at Charlie. Woo! Come on, you got this. You got this. You're almost there. You're almost there. Woo! Bell ringer. Okay, Charlie already did it. Maybe over here with the what you're supposed to breathe with. Girl bar. Nice job. The easy bar. Hey, you're gonna have to help me though. Charlie. Charlie. Okay, Charlie already did it.
I can't breathe with my chest. I gotta use my gut.
That's what you're supposed to breathe with. Nice job. Woo! Okay, Charlie already did it.
I can't breathe with my chest. I gotta use my gut.
That's what you're supposed to breathe with. Nice job. Woo! Okay, Charlie already did it.
I can't breathe with my chest. I gotta use my gut.
Woo! That's what you're supposed to breathe with. Nice job. Woo! Okay, Charlie already did it. Woo!
I can't breathe with my chest.
He did it.
Use my gut.
Hey, we all did it. To breathe with. Way to go, us. Nice job. Come on, Charlie. I think you're there.
Woo!
Good job, Charlie.
Oh yeah. You got it.
A little bit from help from Dad for that one, huh? This is why we're teammates.
You jump.
You going, Drain?
Your turn, Dad.
You need to turn around and go down slowly. Or yeah, you guys climb up there and help her down.
That's why I couldn't do it. Didn't have the right.
You didn't have the right gloves.
Okay, so we are 3+ miles in.
Kicking.
Still kicking. Still kicking. And here's what we're walking through. You can see all the people. All the people. Wait, no, there's not a lot of people here. So, it's a good time. Oh, almost. All right, here you go, Charlie. Well, don't think like that. You got it, Charlie. Whoop. Rope is tied way off. All the way up. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I said. Okay. Okay, how are we gonna get down up there? Can you do it? Do you need a hand? Nice job, nice job. You got it, you got it, you got it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I'm here, ready, ready, up. You got it? Nailed it. We got black headbands, we can help. All right. Might need more than a knee, but. Oh, there he is. Okay. All right. 4.6 miles. And we have, I don't even know what's coming up. Yeah, I got you. I don't even know what this is. Slowly, that was slowly. No. You're silly. All right. 4.6 miles. And we have, I don't even know what's coming up. Yeah, I got you. I don't even know what this is. Slowly, that was slowly. No. You're silly. And we have, I don't even know what's coming up. Come on. Yeah, I got you. Because he is that guy. I don't even know what this is. You can do this. Whew. And we have, I don't even know what's coming up. Come on. Yeah, I got you. Because he is that guy. I don't even know what this is. You can do this. Whew. Sure. Okay, whenever you're ready, Charlie. Yeah, I see it. All right, come on, Charlie. Take a breath, go under. Woo! All right, come on, Drain. Okay. Oh. Yeet. Okay. Yeah, that's what happens. You can't even see me. All right, totally. I just did a hard thing. All that, and I didn't even. That was fun. Turn on the recording. Yeah, totally. I just did a hard thing. Let's go. That was fun. 1 mile left. Yeah, totally. All right. I just did a hard thing. Oh, no, I did all that. That was fun. Turn on the recording. Yeah, totally. I just did a hard thing. All right, try it. That was fun. Let's go. 1 mile left. Yeah, totally. I just did a hard thing. Oh, that was fun. I did all that, and I didn't even turn on the recording. I just did a hard thing.
Up and over.
All right, that was fun. Let's go. Yeah, totally. 1 mile left. I just did a hard thing. All right. That was fun.
All right, you got this.
Oh, no, I did all that, and I didn't even
Totally.
turn on the recording.
I just did a hard thing. That was fun.
There you go.
All right. Let's go.
Totally. I just did a hard thing. That was fun.
Oh, no, I did all that, and I didn't even
I just did a hard
turn on the
thing.
recording.
That was fun.
There we are.
All right.
Yeah, totally.
Let's go.
I just did a hard thing.
1 mile left.
That was fun.
All right.
Yeah, totally.
Oh, no, I did all that.
I just did a hard thing.
Turn on the
That
recording.
was fun. Yeah, we lost Charlie. Oh, he's at the top of the A-frame. We let him go thinking he would just
meet us at the bottom of the hill, but he kept going. It's hard to hold back a 17-year-old kid who wants to run. Yeah. All right. Let's do your best. Let's do your best.
You got it, baby. You got it.
Hey, better than I ever thought I could do.
You got it, baby. You got it.
Hey, better than I ever thought I could do. Come on, honey. There you go, there you go. One more, touch it. Yeah. Oh. Woo!
Nailed it.
Okay, your turn. Oh, I get one out. That's not in the hole. Up here. Here you go. Here you go, all the way. All the way. Nice. All right, here we go. Woo! Yee! Fire! Sorry. Yee!
All right, so there you have it. That was our race. It was painful on my joints. My muscles didn't feel it. I thoroughly enjoyed sitting in this tub of ice water. I know that I promised you when I did my ice bath, 30-day ice bath challenge, that I wouldn't get into a tub with actual floating ice on it, but I did it not only once, but I did it twice this same day. I did it here at the race, and then I did it again when we got home. It was good, and yes, I would do it again. I really want to. We did this the fastest we've ever done it. My husband and I have done, I think this is Spartan number 7 for us. This is what you get when you do a Spartan. You get a 2-piece medal. Okay, you get the first one that tells you what you did and how awesome you are. So blue is the super distance, and then you get a 1/3 medal that goes with when you do the trifecta, meaning that you've done 3 of the different race distances: the sprint, the Spartan, and the beast, or the sprint, the super, and the beast. So I really do enjoy it. I love to challenge myself. I don't think I'm the best at it. Obviously not. We did it in just under 3 hours. So that's like a slow pace. But, we just consider it a hike with obstacles, relative safety. So it's a good time. And my son liked it. He said that he would do it again, that he thought that that was a lot of fun. And maybe that was motivating enough for him to want to do more consistent exercise. So I hope you like this. I think it was a good recap, and maybe you found some value in it. If you did, share it with your friends. And like and subscribe, because that makes me feel good. Okay. See you next time. Bye.